Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we got a different review. Yes, I'm gonna be talking about a teleprompter. Yes, that helps as well on tech reviews, because sometimes you have like loads of things to tell in a video, and when you do the script, it's quite hard to memorize everything, like bullet points and everything, but it's still quite hard to memorize everything. So a teleprompter will help you, because let me explain what a teleprompter is. So it's like a black box where your camera is inside, you got a mirror in the front, and you can put a phone or a tablet, and that will reflect on a mirror, and you can read everything, and your eyes will be on a camera instead of being down reading or up reading. Because sometimes what we do, content creators, we put like a tablet underneath the camera or on top of the camera, and we can read the bullet points, but you will see that our eyes will go up or our eyes will go down. So yeah, but I have a problem. I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't have a lot of money. So I went and bought the cheaper teleprompter on Amazon, and that's the Leeventi Teleprompter. Guys, it comes on this box, if I can call it a box. So when I got this, let me put my camera on top recording so you guys can see it. So when I bought this and this arrived from Amazon, I was like, okay, did I bought the wrong thing? This is a letter, or kind of. Okay, it's cheap, but is that cheap? It's made of paper? No, it's not made of paper. In this video, I will show you how we go from this letter to this, guys. So this is the teleprompter. It's ready. As you can see, I got the camera inside. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yeah. And let's show you the back, as you guys can see. So in this video, I will show you how we're going from this to this. Let's run intro. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. So let's get into the Leeventi Teleprompter. So why did I choose this teleprompter? First, the price, like I said, is one of the cheapest one. Let's have a look how much it costs on Amazon at the moment. So the Leeventi Teleprompter at the moment, it costs on UK 59 quid. So at the moment in UK only costs 59 quid. You can have like a discount of 6 quid, something like that, I don't know. So like always, I'll put links down below in the video description so you guys can check, so you guys can get the best price, because Amazon is always changing the prices, like you guys know. The two main reasons that I choose this teleprompter was price and this little thing here. So for 59 quid you will get the teleprompter with all the things. It has a gamepad, so a control, so you can control how fast the test is showing to you, so you can read it. If you are a slow reader, you can slow down, or if you want to read it faster, you just put it faster. That's the two main reasons that I choose this one, because for 59 quid, you can get like a full working teleprompter with a full working control. So that's good, guys. I know that you can handmade teleprompters and it's cheap, but for 59 quid, guys, I think it's not worth the hassle of building one for you. It comes with everything. Okay, let's get into the teleprompter. It's cheap. So my first problem was, so I got the box, yeah. Nice box. Let me see if I got the things inside still. Yeah. So nice box, and I was a bit concerned, like I said. Ooh, how I'm gonna, what's inside? Is that a teleprompter inside? Yes, it is, as you guys can see. But so I said, okay. Whew, I open it and I see, oh, okay. I was a bit, it looks plastic. Yeah. But let's give it a go. I did that. But my first problem was how I'm gonna set up everything, because sadly inside of the box is no instructions. You get loads of cards, but it's no instructions. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Teleprompter Leeventi YouTube channel, and they have a lovely YouTube video to show you how to set up everything. I still struggle, but in the end I managed to set up everything. Let's have a look, and I'm gonna show you the unboxing and setup of the Leeventi Teleprompter. So you guys will get like the box, like I said, as you guys can see. Inside you go like a puzzle. No, I'm just kidding. You'll have the Leeventi Teleprompter inside. You have to, as you guys can see here, we have all the supports and all the things, all the small pieces. And you got the sides of the teleprompter here, the other side, the gamepad or control, whatever you want to call it. I don't think we are in focus, are we? Oh yes, we are now. Yeah, cool one, small one. It works, that's what we want. More manual. This is how to work with a control. And that's the bottom, that's the other bottom. And this is the mirror itself. So this is the most important bit of the teleprompter. So like I said, you have to go online and check it on the site. Otherwise you're going to struggle. Well, at least I struggle. As you go and see the video, everything it's clear and you will understand how this works and how to set up. So let's have a look how I managed to do this. So you set up everything on a part. You open the small bag and take all the small pieces, the small screws. So this bit was recorded like quite a while ago. I got this teleprompter quite a while ago, and as you guys know, I was in the hospital, and so this was recorded before I set up everything, before I have my new desk with the new lights and everything. So I'm sorry. So the image could be not the best one, but as you guys can see, in the end, I got the job done. So let's not forget. So first, you have to peel off the plastic that is covering the so the top, the two tops, and the mirror. I don't think we are in focus. Oh, yes, we are in focus now. Sorry, that's what happened when we have Panasonic. What do you guys think? Do you think I should buy a Sony? Just let me know in the comments down below if you guys think I should buy a Sony camera. Probably you guys will say yes. So yeah, so you peel everything. As you can see, it's nice and black and clear. You peel the other bit. Let's skip forward this bit. So you have both of the parts without the plastic. And now you're gonna set up everything. And here we go. Teleprompter is ready to go, as you guys can see here on my tripod. For the price, I think is one excellent thing to have. It's cheap. It has a control. It's not that hard to set up. As you guys can see, it will take like 5-10 minutes at the most to set up everything. And after that, you guys have a nice teleprompter that you guys can see that's so different. You guys will see that your eyes will be always in camera. And you can access the teleprompter on the back. Just remove the cloth, and on the back you can change and make changes. So yeah, so the teleprompter is not the strongest one because it's all made of plastic. So the bottom, as you guys can see, let me show you guys here. So the bottoms, so this bit here and this bit here, it's made like a hard plastic. It works okay, it's nice. hard plastic, strong, very strong, but these bits here, as you guys can see, they are not that strong. So you need to be careful so you don't break them. They're not strong. Okay, they don't need to be strong because it's just to have this on top, fair enough. But if you are moving and taking this apart every single day, you will end up breaking this, I'm pretty sure. Guys, what I think you guys should do is once you set up the teleprompter, you leave it like that. That's what I did. So I set up the teleprompter and till today, I haven't dismantled again. Just keep it like that. You're good to go. So how this works is you have your tablet, iPad, whatever you want to call it. You put it here, down below, like that, like so, and that will reflect on the mirror. You got your camera here, and you're going to be looking at your camera, and you're going to be talking to your camera, and you'll be looking here. The test will go there, and you guys can, as you guys can see, you will be able to look straight on the lenses. That's it, guys. Let's show you the teleprompter. So if you leave it like that, you're thinking, oh, I don't want this, just leave it like that and it will work. Well, it doesn't work. It needs to be dark. It needs to be proper dark, like so, so that you're going to be able to see the test. For 59 quid, you have control with charging port, and you will have your teleprompter that works without any problems, as you guys can see, with the tablet, with your camera. You can use a phone as well, so you can just here, let's unscrew this so you guys can see it. Let's unscrew it. Here, you can take this, take the camera, and you can screw here a phone or a camera, a different camera. You can move the camera forward or backwards if you want it to, like this way or this way here, and it's quite easy. And here we go. You see, it's quite easy. There's no problems at all. So now, how to put this on a tripod? So I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube about teleprompters, and I choose this one because of the price and what I said before. So let's take the camera. And one of the videos, it was someone saying that they had a problem. Not all the tripods will work with this one, and it have to be one without, I don't know if you guys can see, without this bit here. So for this teleprompter, I use an old tripod because I got my main tripod with my camera, with my main camera. I don't like to use it for anything else. So as you guys can see, it keeps saying that this is a problem, and that's why it cannot use it with this teleprompter. I really don't understand. Now I was talking, looking at the camera, sorry. So I really don't understand why this bit here that goes down will be a problem. So let's just around here. So you got a hole here, and this will go there. And as you guys can see, a bit of pressure, and this will go down. So after that, you just goes here, and you screw it like that, like so. And it's, oh my god, I nearly lost the teleprompter. Right, so like I said, and you guys can see, it will go on a tripod now without any problem. So I don't understand what that small bit is the problem, but it isn't the problem. So guys, you can use this with any tripod without any problems. So any tablet will work with this one. You can go online, and if you go online, you have the site online where you can copy your test to that site, and then on that site you will run the test here. So that's the main problem. I think it should be like an app. They have an app. I don't know where the app is. If they have here the card about talking about the app, they don't have. But they have an app. You have to pay extra to use the app. Well, in the end, it's your choice. But if you are making a teleprompter that is cheap, and you want to sell a cheap teleprompter, then you have a service you have to pay to use online. It's a bit, okay, I don't know. It's your choice in the end. So they get your code, and is a free service for a year. After a year, you have to pay something to use it. It's not that expensive. I don't even know how much it is, but it's not that expensive. In the end, guys, you have a teleprompter that will help you, that make your life so easy, because you're going to be able to read the test. Your eyes will be on the camera. Even if you want to put just bullet text, it's fine. At least you don't get lost talking, and your eyes will be on the lenses for 59 quid. So yeah, I think it's a steal. So that's why I choose to get this one from Amazon. So again, control and teleprompter that works on the back. You can have your iPhone or camera, any camera. And so guys, I think, yeah, I'm real happy with this teleprompter. So like always, I will leave link down below on the video description, and please feel free to check the price, because on Amazon is always changing. And guys, this is my review for today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you did, please like the video, that will help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next review.